currently.
But you'll be moving out.
Yeah, we'll be leaving. Hopefully before the end of the year.
Oh.
I'm not sure when I'm going back yet.
Oh.
Your parents are gonna miss you, I'm sure.
Maybe.
Look
Yeah,
at that.
sure.
Oh.
No problem with you.
Yeah, when you were gone, I was like, I don't have anything to do.
Yeah. Somehow, you know, I'm just not quite as...
Well, no, it's not that. Oh, let's pause. I'm reaching for something.
Well, I'll tell you about last night.
Oh, yeah, just the concert. Yeah, I told her about that.
Oh.
It's fun.
Let's get him while he's making all that noise, huh?
Yeah.
Trying to sleep and you keep hitting him.
What are you doing? What are you doing, honey? When they were born, their noses were pink.
Their nose was
Pink. And their feet were pink, too. They, like, doubled in size.
They're just normal for 2 weeks old. Wow.
Yeah, they are.
They opened their eyes, like, 2 days ago.
Wow.
They're still sort of shut some of the time.
That's really young.
Yeah. Yay. I just feel bad for my parents, because they're going to have 5 dogs running around for a good long while.
Okay, then. Strawberry, but not... Oh, until you...
Yeah. I can't take them out until we move, and until I fly back there and drive them.
Yeah.
Well, he's out.
You're really sleepy right now.
Yeah. You're not being exciting.
My coworkers, if I show them this, they're like, I want to just go on.
Maybe Orbit likes the smell of sage.
Oh.
Maybe he's just a dog.
Yeah.
Good job, Orbit, being a dog.
Oh my God.
I love those eyes.
Open them up.
Cookie. No, they're open. What are you doing?
Oh. Little tails.
There you go, baby. That's you.
No, I forget now. Who's getting Orbit? Your parents?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I may see him again.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.